Heidi. Come back here. Come back here. Come help me. You gonna help Mummy? You gonna help me? We've been working so hard on the house that I haven't really done any gardening, and I'm dying to get a veggie patch going. Now we really don't have the time to do the veggie patch at the moment, like the full size one that I want, but that's not going to stop me from planting some seeds in a pot. And because we're about to approach autumn here in Australia, I think I might plant this perpetual spinach. Spinach perpetual leaf. Continuous cropping, and we can harvest in 8 to 10 weeks. This will be actually a pretty good windowsill in the kitchen crop, I reckon. So you can add spinach to your eggs or whatever, smoothies. So let's do this. So I've got this old pot back from when we were living in the city that had beans growing in it, and I thought this would be a really cool pot for my spinach because I don't think it needs much deep space. Just got to add some fresh soil, some fertilizer, should be good. I don't know where my little shovel is. I'm using Heidi's toy shovel. Just getting all these old bits out.
You know where I had it?
I put it in her room last night.
Yeah, okay.
Alright.
Mommy,
Yeah.
what's that?
I'll see if I can find it. I'll come now. You know, it's easy to do gardening without your teddy and your keys in your hand. You're funny. Is that good? Thank you. I think we need to get some water.
That's what you do. That's kind of
Wait. Can you sit back please, buddy? Wait a minute. Wait. Okay. See this? You get one and you put it here. You can you put one here? Put it here. That's it. Good girl. Put it here. Do some here. Can you put some here? Just a, no, just a few. Just a couple, not too many. That's it, good girl. Right. No, now we cover it.
Take it. Take it.
Now we'll put some of this in.
It hot.
Yeah. Can you sprinkle some on? Just a little bit, just a little bit. Okay. No, no more, because you did too much in the one spot. Okay. Oh, here, can you put some of that in here? That's it. Good girl. So we went out today and we bought this sample pot of some weird paint. I can't remember what it's called. It's like got a chalky finish, I think. We're possibly thinking about using some of it in the kitchen around the island bench as, you know, a nice decorative color, decorative finish. So Nick's just gonna do a test sample now so we can see if we like the color. Alrighty, so we've sanded the floors. Whoop, where is it? Yeah. We've finally sanded the floors, and that is in preparation for laying Tassie oak flooring. Now all those bits of colour you can see everywhere is the leftover paint that this floor had underneath. It's just pine flooring, but it's pretty thin, soft, obviously pine flooring, so that's why we're covering it with some hardwood floor. Some people were asking me why not just use this floor, why not just stain it and coat it? And the reason why is because we have kids and dogs and they will wreck it, and the hardwood floor they would wreck less, fingers crossed. So we hired a sander and we sanded it, which means this entire room was completely empty. There's a fridge in Heidi's bedroom, the pantry's in my bedroom, our table with our toaster oven and kettle and microwave is in the office. Everything is just shoved in corners at the moment. I can't wait till it all goes back into place. But Nick did a great job. Whoop, let it focus. Sanding, getting the floor smooth and ready. And half of the new Tassie oak flooring has been laid. So you can see, this will be the new kitchen dining. Or this is the original kitchen dining, but the new feel. All these pieces of paper on the floor is where I was laying out benches and things so I could get a visual of what the width of the walkway was going to be, so I knew how wide each walkway was going to be. But it's really starting to come together now. I'm so excited. It's just a lot of little fiddly things and putting all the cabinets together. We're doing custom cabinetry, so we're buying cabinets that fit in the gaps, and the ones that don't fit, we're going to build them ourselves. So you can see this where the flooring changes. This part of the flooring is going to be painful, I think, because we've got all the way down. But the worst part is going to be the varnishing. Oh my god, I'm not looking forward to it. I'm going to leave the house with Heidi. Oop, there we go. I'm going to leave the house with Heidi for a week so we can try and not... Well, one, we can't really be here when they're doing it, and two, the smell is horrifying. So hopefully by the time we come back it's not too bad. And then today I ordered my new oven, stove oven. I ordered a bar fridge because we're setting up a little coffee station for Nick. He's got a full coffee machine, like a proper cappuccino machine. So we're doing a little bar fridge under there with milk and drinks for people and for his little coffee station. So that's pretty cool. And let's keep cracking. What have you got there, Nick?
One of my vices.
And tell everyone why you had to get this particular vice.
It was $45.
As opposed to, how much are they brand new?
150.
There you go. This is what happens when you go to a market that has a whole lot of tools in it.
It's even got a tiny little surface you can amble stuff on. You alright? Good. Little rust to put some character.
There's a kangaroo sunbaking in our backyard. I want to see if I can try and get it for you. knows I'm here, but I'm not moving. So as to not scare him. But I don't know if you can see, there's another one just there. It's just there.